Okay, part 3. We've got a little water buildup now in here, as you can see. So I've got a hose, and I want to stick one end in my mouth, the other one down in there. I'm going to pull that water out so it doesn't interfere with the gluing up of, so it doesn't interfere in the gluing up of the next piece. Okay, and that's how you do that. All right. So, before I proceed, all right, now I will take my piece here that I've just cut. All right. Let's see, did I get enough off? Possibly. This will give me a little bit of wiggle room here. We'll raise some. Okay. So, but I've also got it on this coupling, which allows me to unscrew this for fitting it all together. Okay? Especially at this point where the 90 goes on, because this will be very difficult and I'm at risk of snapping pipe. So I'm going to put on my 90 here.